Good morning, Bluebird. So today let's know other three new words start with the letter G. We have garlic here in capital letters and small letters and image. Garlic, garlic, repeat after me. Garlic, that means aglio in Italian. Then we have an animal, giraffe, giraffe, capital letters and small letters and the image. There you can, of course, as usual, you trace the image and the letters, and then you can color it, of course. And last, here, simple, gift, gift, that means regalo, okay? Bye bye.